we're on to our third ramen. This is the spicy Hakata ramen. So have the water close by.
Wow. Where's the water?
Here!
Let's try it.
Go! Ooh, look at the soup. It looks so good. It's so red. Wow, the texture is so good. I like this color. I'm excited to try it.
Itadakimasu.
You're like, I'm gonna eat it. It's not that spicy, right, Jimmy?
In terms of spicy, I think it's like a level like 1.5. There's spice here, but it's definitely manageable.
The soup is more spicier than the noodle.
Let me try it. Yes, the soup is pretty spicy, but it's acceptable.
It's very flavorful. I can taste the broth and imagine how many hours. So that even though, you know, it was frozen, but it actually, you can still taste the broth. The smell was really good. Earlier when we were making it, we already, wow, the smell is filled up the whole house, and everyone was like, Clark was very excited to try it.
And I'm very relieved to announce that this is pretty solid ramen.
Oh my god, this is surprisingly good.
On the box, they are saying you can also put whatever toppings you like. I can imagine that putting more like vegetables like tofu or boiled egg with this noodle because so much flavor. You just never get tired of this flavor.
1 to 10.
7.
I will give it 8. I have to.
Wow, I mean,
I'm a
like,
very strict critic.
wow, this is such a good review. 1 to 10.
7.5.
7.5? Oh wow, you like the previous one better?
I did, yeah. I would want this to be spicier, to be honest.
7.9.
Whoa.
Surprisingly good. Better than the first one.
Oh, everybody hates the first one. What the hell?